Introducing the semi-automatic broaching machine.
Built with a robust, full-casting body, precision LM-guided movement, and integrated with the latest advanced systems, this machine is engineered to deliver reliable performance in demanding production environments. Every production unit has unique requirements. That's why our broaching machine can be configured with a range of optional features, including scrap management system with deburring tray, smart touchscreen, HMI, providing access to machine information, stroke settings, and speed control. Designed for a wide range of specialized broaching applications, this machine is ideal for spline broaching, keyway broaching, internal profile broaching, other critical precision broaching components. Developed to deliver consistent accuracy, dependable operation, and long-term reliability, the machine ensures high-quality results throughout its service life. To enhance operational safety, the machine is equipped with an integrated alarm and protection system. At Fortune Machines and Tools Company, we also manufacture surface broaching machines, table-up broaching machine, heavy-capacity broaching machines, and broaching tools manufacturing. Over the past 15 years, we've been developing broaching solutions for a vast range of industries. Fortune Machines and Tools Company. Precision engineered, performance delivered.